Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Matt Jordan from Retro Rollin. So over the last 7 days we've been posting to Facebook and Instagram some crew cars. If you'd like to see more of these cars, we will do full features on them. We'll do full walk rounds and we'll be chatting to the owners and finding out a little bit more about their cars. Over the next few months we've got quite a few shows coming up and we have more breakfast meat this year. I think there's 2 left in this show season. So we'll be catching up with more crew cars and doing more features. But these are the first 7. If you'd like to drop us a message with which one you'd like to see or which one's your favourite, that'd be appreciated. We'll get moving on these. Also, if you'd like to feature with some of our crew cars, get in contact. So yeah, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss future uploads. Take care and we'll see you on the next one.